There is someone in this city worth more than you can picture, and nobody knows. No yacht, no watch, no Instagram. Just a plain shirt, a laptop, and a number in a bank account that would make your hands shake. This is not the wealth they showed you in movies. This is the new kind. Quiet, systematic, invisible to almost everyone. And you are watching it happen right now, whether you see it or not. To understand what is being built right now, you have to understand what wealth used to look like. A factory, land, a railroad, something you could point at. Old wealth was physical. You could see it, you could tax it, you could resent it. The mansion was the signal. The car was the signal. The suit was the signal. Wealth announced itself because the system required it to. Status was the currency, and status has to be seen to work. Then something shifted. Quietly, about 30 years ago, software started doing what factories used to do, but it scaled without walls, without workers, without weight. One person, one product, 1 million customers. No building required. That was the first wave, and most people were too busy at their jobs to notice. The second wave is AI, and it is moving faster and quieter than anything before it. You are living inside it right now, and you probably cannot feel it yet. Let me show you what it is actually doing to money. AI does not need a wage. It does not need sleep. It does not take a day off. It does not resent you. It does not organize. It does not ask for a raise. It just runs, continuously, producing output that used to require hundreds of people. And the person who owns that system, they are collecting while they sleep. This is not passive income in the old sense, dividends, rent checks. This is a machine that learns, adapts, and improves its own output without you touching it. The leverage is almost incomprehensible from the outside. In the old economy, one person could only do the work of one person. Even the best surgeon, the best lawyer, the best architect, they were capped by hours. You sell your time. Time is finite, so your income has a ceiling. AI breaks that ceiling. Not a little. Completely. One person with the right AI system can now serve 1 million customers simultaneously. Write once, sell 1 million times, the marginal cost approaches zero. That is the machine the invisible billionaire is running. And you would walk past them on the street and feel absolutely nothing. Now here is the part that most people miss completely. It is not just that AI earns money while you sleep. It is that AI owns things, quietly, through structures most people never think about. Intellectual property, equity, data, things that compound in the dark. You cannot put intellectual property in a garage sale. You cannot resent it at a dinner party. It is invisible on purpose. The system built that invisibility. When the old rich wanted to hide wealth, they used offshore accounts, shell companies. Crude, risky, required lawyers and accountants and secrecy and paper trails. The new invisible wealth does not hide behind paper. It hides in plain sight, in a piece of software, in a model, in a data set. The asset is the algorithm, and algorithms do not depreciate like cars. They get better. They learn. The asset improves itself. Think about what that means for the gap between the owner and everyone else. While your skill depreciates, becomes outdated, automated, replaced, their asset compounds. Your degree, your certification, your decade of experience. The system treats those as liabilities now. The machine does not care how long you studied. That is not a moral statement. It is just how capital moves. Capital flows to the highest return. Always has. Always will. And right now, the highest return is AI infrastructure. Models, training data, distribution. The money is moving into things most people cannot even name correctly. So what does the invisible billionaire actually own? Let me walk you through it. First, equity in AI companies before the market prices it correctly. Not the stock ticker, you know, the round before the ticker, the private placement. By the time the product trends on social media, the quiet money is already out. Second, AI-native businesses that run on near-zero marginal cost. A software tool serving 50,000 customers with 1 engineer and 2 servers. The margins on that business are not like a restaurant. They are not like a law firm. Third, data. Raw, proprietary, irreplaceable data that trains the next model. Data is the new raw material, but unlike iron ore, it does not run out. The more you use it in the right structure, the more valuable it gets. And fourth, the network itself, the platform that connects people to the machine. Each user who joins makes the platform more valuable for every other user. This is the pattern economists call a network effect. The rich call it a moat. And once the moat is wide enough, competitors cannot get close. So now you see what is being assembled. Not a portfolio, a system. Equity, cash flow, data, network. 4 compounding forces running simultaneously. While the average person has one income stream and one wage that inflation quietly eats. Now here is the pattern that has repeated across every major technological shift in history. Each time, a small group positioned early, quietly, before consensus. When the printing press arrived, a few men owned the presses, everyone else bought the pamphlets. When the railroad came, a few men owned the tracks, everyone else bought the tickets. When the internet came, a few people owned the pipes, everyone else rented the attention. Same pattern every time, the infrastructure owners and everyone else. We are at the beginning of the AI version of that pattern right now. The crowd will figure it out in 5 years. The invisible billionaire figured it out 2 years ago. And this is why you never hear about them. Because by the time you do, the window has moved. The ones who talk about wealth on social media are not the ones building it quietly. The show and the substance are almost always in opposite rooms. So what is the quiet path? The one the invisible billionaire actually walked. It started with understanding what the machine actually is. Not the product, the infrastructure. Then positioning, owning a piece of the infrastructure before the crowd arrives to pay retail for the product. Then patience. The compounding does its work, quietly, without announcement. No celebration, no announcement. The number in the account just changes. That is the invisible billionaire. Not a type of person, a type of positioning. The system rewards positioning over effort. It always has. AI just made the gap wider, and the positioning is available to more people now than at any point in the last century. That is not a sales pitch. That is just what the data shows about where capital is going. The question is whether you are watching the wave or trying to figure out what surfing is. This is not financial advice. It never is here. This is the pattern, laid flat so you can see it. The pattern is infrastructure builds wealth. Products consume it. AI is infrastructure. The apps on your phone are the products. Know which side you are on. The invisible billionaire is in the ground. You are spending on the surface. That is the video. Sit with it, no rush. If the pattern made sense to you, there is more. The next video is already there. See you on the other side of the noise.